Hey guys, this is Dr. Sandy with your weekly health tip. And the tip, sometimes it will be specific, sometimes they're concepts. And the concept I want to share with you is structure, organization, and discipline. And what we're always doing is we're always researching with our patients who's getting the best results, who's getting the best long-term results, who are getting the best wellness results after they've completed a corrective program. And it's a little detail, and this is an observation I just made recently, but when I looked at my research of the people who are consistently getting the best results on a long-term basis, the quickest results, one thing I have seen is when they book their appointments, they're consistent. So here's one patient who will come in and say, yes, I will be coming in every Monday at 4 p.m. Every time we talk to those patients, they consistently get the best results. The other patient, patient B, who comes in and is like, you know what, let me check my schedule, I'm going to try and get here when I can, and then they just get sloppy with their visits. Their results are not nearly as strong. They may get well, they may not. It's kind of like we're gambling on it, and it's just, there's no structure. And the longer I practice, I always look for those key components that I've seen in my best patients. Structure, discipline, rituals always pays off. So when you go through care, commit to days. If you're not even sure, call us, let us know, but that little detail itself probably makes at least 20 to 30% difference in results, and that's what we're seeing in our office. So have that consistency, and I'd go further than that. If you're coming here and you go, yeah, I stretch, I would actually make a sheet of paper and write down that, I do my stretches every day at 6 p.m. Have a system. If you're like, well, I'll stretch when I can, and yet our results diminish, have structure. So you should know the days you're coming in, the stretching. You maybe even want to get to the point where you're like, I know every day at 12 p.m. I will have half a liter of water. The more structure you have, here's the cool thing, you'll get better results. You don't have to think, you almost go into autopilot because you look at your sheet and you just check off that I need to do these things. And guess what happens? We get incredible results at the end of the picture. So even on a personal level for myself, I've been doing things that could be more consistent, and I'm finding if I write it down and I have that consistency and there's a plan of action, everything is actually going more and better. My stress level has actually gone down and my results are going up. So that's what I'd recommend. Structure, discipline, write down the things you are doing, write down that I will have the 2 salads a day, all those things I've been teaching you, and see our results even get better. And like I'm saying, at least 20%, if not higher, maybe 30, 40%, you'll see a life change. And what I'm going to say as well, as always, we have more events coming up next week on Tuesday. If you haven't signed up, or if you've already been before, come again to Power Weight Loss, learn those new concepts. I've added some new research to the presentation as well. Power Fitness on the 24th of April coming up. Sign up for that as well. That one is really filling up really fast. If you've been before, you need to come again. You need to come again just to get drilled with the principle. And as always, we've been getting a lot of referrals. A lot of people are trying to tell people about us. We appreciate it, but our work is never done. As long as you're a patient here, we're always going to ask you, tell your friends, reach out to people. I'm only one person, I need your help. We want to get as many people as possible, better quality of life, living longer, living better. Drugs and surgery, man, last resort. We want to live that natural lifestyle so we can be independent, we can enjoy our family, we can enjoy our work and get the most out of life, but I need your help with those referrals. So thank you again, God bless. I'll be here next week.